Okay, I had to deviate a bit from my typical troubleshooting procedure here because I noticed that this connection here to the BL Touch sensor, which is connected to the, if we look at the board, it says BL Touch right underneath there, and it's got the 3-pin designation as ground, 5 volts, and signal. So this should match that, ground, 5 volts, and signal in that order. So if we look at this board, directly in line with that, that should also say ground, 5 volts, and signal, and it does. However, when you look at the color coding of this cable here, ground, 5 volts is the white, and the signal is the red one. Now, I did trace this back to the BL Touch sensor. Let me put this back the way it was. So if we go back and look at the sensor here, let's see if my camera can hold on there. You know, you can also see that. Let's unplug this. There's the red, there's the black, and there's the white. But it also has some other colors that are coming from probably another cable to power this unit here. Okay, so if we look at the designation of the white is actually connected to this inductive sensor as the Z I can't make it. Hold on, let me see. It's connected to the Z axis. The ground, there are two grounds here. One right next to that Z. There's also a signal, and there's a 5 volts, and then there's another ground here. So if we trace this with the color coding of the wires, the white wire that's supposed to be the signal is actually connected to the Z designation on this board, and the red wire that should be the plus is connected to the signal here, which is a little bit. Is that right? Let me unplug this again. 5 volts is the red one. Yeah, 5 volts is the red one, and the white is connected to the Z. So there's something funky going on here because this does not match the pinout designation on this end here at the control board. But it's the only way that I can get the BL Touch sensor